Welcome to Cutthroat Jack's online tutorials. Today we're doing a high skin fade, wavy haired quiff, and a fade into the beard trim, and a nice square beard. It's quite a high fade that's naturally suited to this length, and we've maintained that balance all the way through. Clippers and those teeth pointing in that direction. I prefer to just taper it in slightly, just soften it. We're going to square the bottom off as well. So for this, with your comb, to match the length of the tash, smooth surface for you to work on if you're stretching the skin. Just so give it a nice clean finish. Pretty much dry. It's very durable, so I'm going to just get that product in throughout. Watching our tutorial. Hope you've enjoyed it. All of our other tutorials can be found on the website. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel in order to keep up to date with us and when our next tutorials go live.